Welcome back, guys. This is your second ice cream app recording tutorial. And last tutorial we downloaded the app that will allow us to record our screen, which is ice cream recording app. So in this tutorial we're gonna go through how to use it. So first thing, go to your download folder where you download, or any folder where your ice cream app setup was downloaded in. So my own was in download folder. Everything I download is to go to download folder for me. So this is the setup here. Double click or just right click and open. So really focus on this, so that you can understand how to use this. So it says select the language to use during the installation. I'm selecting English because I do speak English. I do speak French too. I understand French, but English is pretty much okay for you people. So just read the term and condition. Don't lie, just read them. But I've already read them. So accept the agreements. Okay. So select the additional tasks you would like set up to perform while installing ice cream screen recording, then click next. Create a desktop shortcut, create a quick launch shortcut, install codec. So next, I'll read all the stuff. Ready to install. Setup is now ready to begin installing ice cream recording on your computer. Click install to continue with the installation, or click back if you want to review or change any settings. Additional tasks, create a desktop, blah 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 stuff. So at this, then click install. At this place it will start installing. So I've already installed my ice cream app on my laptop, so it's giving me an error. But after you click in and this install button here, it will start installing, and when it install finish, it will ask you to, do you need it to launch at once or you will launch it later. So anyone want to do launch it or launch it